Home remedies to remove skin tags. Skin tags are pliable growths of tissue mass that appear on the skin surface, often in places where the skin folds, such as the neck and armpits. These are benign tumors of a light or dark color that typically appear in middle-aged men and women. They are only an aesthetic matter, not a reason for panic or concern. Although the precise reason why skin tags appear is yet unknown, hormonal imbalance, aging, friction from repeated skin-to-skin contact, obesity, and type 2 diabetes mellitus are thought to be the primary contributing factors. Skin tags are not painful and do not have any negative effects, but they can cause discomfort if something rubs against them. Most of the time, they can be treated at home with basic items found in the kitchen without the need for medical attention. Here are some easy quick fixes to get rid of those pesky skin tags once and for all. 1. Tea tree oil. After properly cleaning the skin tag affected area, use a cotton swab to gently apply some tea tree oil to the swollen areas. It should be left on overnight with a bandage covering it. Tea tree oil's natural antifungal and antibacterial qualities facilitate quick removal of skin tags. 2. Garlic paste. Apply a paste made from a small piece of minced garlic directly to the skin tags on your body. Bandage the affected regions and let the strong garlic extract work all night. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties work to completely remove the protruding skin tags. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apply apple cider vinegar on a ball of cotton and wipe the entire area of the skin tags on all the affected body parts. After 30 minutes, remove the clean cloth covering and wash with warm water. Apple cider vinegar's acidity helps remove skin tags from the surface of the body. 4. Banana peel. Banana peels are the best natural remedy for treating skin tags since they include a huge amount of anti-aging ingredients. The skin tag should be covered with a banana peel, bandaged and left overnight. By doing this procedure every day for a week, you can help the skin tags dry out and eventually fall off the body. 5. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E's potent antioxidant properties are especially helpful in treating skin tags that develop as we get older. Daily, generously massage vitamin E oil onto the skin tags and leave it on all night. This helps the skin tags to progressively decrease until they eventually vanish, leaving the skin perfect and smooth. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.